The installation of conventional angled hooks can be difficult. With pliers you can easily slip and scratch the hook. Instead, with the Fischer innovation, any hook can be mounted in a snap. The Fischer EasyHook turns screws into hooks. It can be used with the DuoPower or the DuoBlade, depending on the substrate. With a cordless screwdriver, the attachable hook can be screwed in quickly and easily. Thanks to its predetermined breaking point, the EasyHook can be flexibly rotated and aligned. By screwing in the screw, it's tightened and provides a secure hold. The wall distance of the EasyHook can be adjusted. If necessary, the screw together with the hook can be quickly and easily dismantled. The EasyHook is also available as a round and eye hook. Covering and cap provide an attractive design in visible areas. The adapted screw guidance enables convenient and fast installation. The fiberglass reinforced plastic hook supports loads up to 90 kilograms, depending on size and substrate. Various attachments can be hooked through the narrow hook tip. For applications such as picture frames, lamps, shelves and hanging baskets, the Fischer EasyHook turns screws into hooks.